Hi, it is 2035 in Silicon Valley. I imagine meeting a robot that can do 100% of my work as an engineer. In scenario A, the robot belongs to me. I own it. The robot does the grunt work and I keep the salary. I can spend my day on strategy, creativity, or literally anything I want. I am the pilot and life is good. In scenario B, my boss owns the robot. I become an expensive inconvenience. My company doesn't need me anymore and I cannot make a good living. I am the passenger. The difference between these two scenarios isn't technology and it isn't luck. Whether you become the pilot or the passenger depends on how you pivot your skills in the next 24 months, and that's what we'll explore in this series. I want you to see AI as a tool to improve your productivity, not as a competitor. Despite the hype, we are at least a decade from some general AI replacing humans at the work we do today. But AI is available as a tool now, and it is up to you to master it and become more productive and valuable or be left behind. This is AI Skill Pivot, a 20-episode roadmap designed to help career professionals to own the robot. I am Marcio, a technology investor who has navigated multiple technology cycles in the past as an entrepreneur and big tech senior leader. New technology does not steal jobs, it moves the value stack. Most people will wait for their boss to tell them how to use AI. By then, it is too late. You have two choices: wait for change or be the change. So take action now. Number 1, subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss the AI Skill Pivot episodes. Number 2, download the Skill Audit PDF, a simple one-pager to help you assess your current skill stack. The link is in the description. And number 3, watch episode number 1 right now, Climbing the Value Stack. The link is coming up in about 15 seconds. Here are the 7 first episodes in the series coming up in CareerZCast. Climbing the Value Stack, Thinking Bottoms Up, Leading with Inspiration, The Importance of Authenticity, Building Human Trust, Thriving in Remote Work, Becoming an Entrepreneur. So let's start the pivot and I see you in episode number 1.